Well, good morning. I'm on an early morning dog walk, and this is the coolest time of day. We've been having temperatures up in the lower 30 degrees Celsius, 31, 32 degrees, and it's been swelteringly hot. We're staying at Moor Edge Farm, which is a little CL in or near Matlock in Derbyshire, and it's very, very quiet. It is really quite early this morning. We woke up to a hot air balloon that's being launched from the farm this morning. I'll show you a couple of shots of that. The reason for us being here, we've met up with our friends Kevin and Tracy, and we haven't seen them for so long. I think the last time we saw them was before Christmas, and it's now July again. So we're catching up with loads of stuff, and we're trying to plan something in for 2027, which is becoming well, tricky because there's so many choices out there. But we think we've come up with some ideas, and nearer the time we'll start planning and booking in the actual dates of when we're going to do these things. It's going to be Europe, of course. I'll show you around Moor Edge Farm.